Not a fan of yard work? That'll be a thing of the past if you're the new owner at 943 Sumac Circle in Salisbury.
First floor has plank flooring throughout, spacious living area, eat-in kitchen, half bath, and laundry. Upstairs has a hall bath and 2 generous sized bedrooms.
This home is 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, measures out at 1,120 square feet. Has quite a few updates. The HVAC and roof are under 5 years old. The Tamarack Village neighborhood, very conveniently located, close to shopping, schools, restaurant, the university, as well as the park. And amenities, besides the pool, are a playground and also a dog park. To arrange your private tour, call my cell before it's too late.